Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new, I'm Chris. This is Dirty Trucker 08. Welcome. Today we're going to talk about getting the Rat or any other older vehicle ready for the cruise. I've got a car show coming up this weekend, Ozark Euro Rally. If you're reasonably local and you're into German cars at all, find it on Facebook, come check it out. It is an awesome show. But today's video is about making sure the Rat is ready for the cruise. For me, it's about a 2-hour drive down there. That's a bit of a drive on some older vehicles, so you want to make sure they're ready to go. Got a few basic tips and tricks on what we should be looking at to make sure she's ready to go. Let's dive into it. Now the first thing you want to be able to check is your battery. If it won't start, you're not going anywhere. If yours is like mine, the wiring's kind of questionable at best. But let's start out and make sure that our battery is good. You can see on here we're zeroed out. We go straight to the battery terminals and we're looking right at 12.5 volts, 12.48. That's a good enough battery. The next thing you need to double check is make sure you've got oil in it. Make sure the oil level is good. Pull it out, wipe it off, stick it back in, all the way down. As you can see, we are good on oil. If she's not lubricated, she will not work properly. Next thing you really need to check is the coolant. On mine, I can see the level. I'm not sure if it's showing up too good on video. So what I'm gonna do, if you put a light in behind it, it can help you see your coolant levels a little better. There you go. With the light in behind it, I can see my coolant level is right there. I'm right in the middle, that's where that needs to be. And another thing you need to be able to do, you've got to be able to stop. A lot of times when you're running with your friends on a cruise, you might end up going a little bit faster than you probably should. Make sure you can stop. I can see my brake fluid is right at the max level. Give that a little wiggle. The line is right up at the top. Brakes are topped off and ready to go. I know from driving my car, it's not making any abnormal noises. I've got no extra grinding noises from the brakes, no clutch sounds that sound irregular. If you had a hydraulic clutch, this would be a good time to check that. Another good thing to check is your belts and hoses. Make sure it's got enough tension on it. That one appears to be pretty good. That one's not bad. The rest of the hoses look like they're in decent shape. No cracks or splits, nothing's looking dry rot. Fuel lines coming in, going out, everything looks like it's right where it should be. And you're almost done. It's fairly simple. The one and the biggest thing that I've seen people neglect a lot is fuel. Make sure you're topped up with fuel before you're ready to go with everybody. Don't be the guy that 5 minutes in starts calling everybody saying, hey, we need to pull over. I didn't fill up with gas. Or diesel, if that's what your car runs on. Electric, if you happen to be one of those guys. Personally, I think electric is awesome. I just don't own one. But yeah, that's a few basic tips to be ready to go on your cruise / car show ready. This video isn't about making your car shiny. Clearly the Rat is not a shiny car. If you want to learn how to polish and do some of the other stuff, I'll find something shiny in the future. We can talk about how to make it look even prettier. But for now, hopefully you double check your car too and you're ready to go. I'd like to see you at the Ozark Euro Rally this weekend. It is going to be amazing. I cannot stress enough how awesome that show is. There should be several videos I produce from it. Just beyond excited. And the phone again. What are a few things that I've missed? What do you check on your car before a car show or cruise? Let me know in the comments below. Hopefully you guys have learned something, or at least I've reminded you to go check your car before the cruise, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.